In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that mistakes when Instagram says couldn't refresh feed. That's quite simple and easy to fix, so let's begin. And the first way you need to firstly check your internet connection. If it's stable, you can open any other app on your device, let it be, for example, WhatsApp, and check if your internet connection is working, or you can open your browser and try to refresh the web page. And now, if your internet connection is good, you need to do the next thing. You need to open up your App Store on iPhone or Google Play at your Android, and there search for Instagram. Then tap on your Instagram and check if it says open that button, because if it says update, you need to update your app to the latest version. And in some cases, it may help you to fix that Instagram couldn't refresh your feed. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.